नमस्कार। रूट्स टू रूट्स के भरतनाट्यम क्लास में आप सबके स्वागत है। मैं शायनी चक्रवर्ती आज आप सबको भरतनाट्यम का एक सबसे अहम जो अडवु है जिसका नाम है नाट्य अडवु वो सिखाने जा रही हूँ। टू लर्न नाट्य अडवु फर्स्ट वी हैव टू जस्ट रिकॉल the principal postures with the help of those posture we used to do this Adavu. So let's learn the posture first. Before that also let's do the Bhumi Namaskar. Before every time, before we start practice and before we finish our practice, we do Bhumi Namaskaram, correct? So hold your Kataka Mukham here आपके चेस्ट लेवल पे। शुरू करते हैं। तक दी मी तक झनु तक। ओके, तक दी मी तई। सिट डाउन कंप्लीटली। तक दी न ता। किट तक तरी किट तो। सो क्या क्या किया हमने 4 मुद्रा का यूज किया। नंबर 1, नंबर 2, देन नंबर 3 एंड नंबर 4, है ना। और आपने देखा हमने शुरू किया खड़े होके, फिर हाफ सिटिंग में, फिर फुल सिटिंग में, करेक्ट। सो लेट्स जस्ट प्रैक्टिस this 3 different sthanaka. This is called sthanaka in Natya Shastra. So let's just practice the sthanaka. For that you can hold your hands like this, or if you want you can keep your hands here. Okay, I am keeping it here. Stand straight. Feet should be absolutely joined. Transfer your body weight little bit front of your feet. Hold your core tightly. Feel your spine. This is called Samapada. This posture, standing straight, is called Samapada. Okay. Then open your feet in a very big shape, very big V, I should say. See, it's a big wide V. Now, without lifting our heel, we have to sit as much as we can. Knees should face the side. This is the posture. If you can open more, please do. And sit in a comfortable manner so that you can stay here for at least 2-3 minutes. उतना ही बैठिए जहाँ पे आप कंफर्टेबल फील कर रहे हैं। सो दिस पॉस्चर वी कॉल्ड आरआई मंडी। आरआई यानी कि हाफ, मंडी यानी कि सिटिंग। सो हाफ सिटिंग पोजिशन और आरआई मंडी। नाउ लिफ्ट योर हील अप एंड सिट कंप्लीटली। ओके, आई होप यू कैन सी द वे आई एम सिटिंग। दिस इज कॉल्ड मूर मंडी। मूर मंडी यानी कि फुल सिटिंग। सो Samapada, Arai Mandi and Moor Mandi, correct? These are the main sthanaka on which we plan the whole Bharatanatyam dance. Let's begin Natya Adavu. Natya means when we stretch something like that with our feet or with our hand, that is called Natya. Natya, which a posture is suitable for dance. Natya, correct? So Natya Adavu, for that we need to learn how to hold Natya Rambha with our hands. Natya Arambha. So Natya Rambha is a posture that we have to take. Start from our chest level, stretch nicely and create something like this. Okay, it's a geometrical posture if you notice. So for this Natyarambham, hold this mudra with your hands. This is called Tripataka. So stretch your Tripataka to the side and now tense your elbow, nicely tight your elbow, then the wrist. So first the stretching is coming from here. You should feel the tightness here in your arms, then the elbow, this part, and of course the shoulder, the wrist. It's creating 3 triangle, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is called Natyarambha. So any time when we have to take a preparation before Bharatanatyam, either we stay here or stay like this or do like this or stay like this, any mudra we can change, but this posture is Natyarambha posture. We have to keep it very tight and strong. So let's move to the lower part of Natya Adavu. First we will learn how to do it from here, correct? Sit in Aramandi, open your feet. Now first the target should be lifting your leg as much as you can and kick the opposite. Okay, so if I turn back and show you, it should look like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you all can able to see how I am lifting this, and then I should keep this like, keep the heel on the floor. Again in the same way, come back to your Aramandi position. Again 1 and again lift and kick and come back. So this kick is very important. Every time this kick is will help you to maintain the height. Otherwise it will happen like this. The body will shake, this part will start getting tired. So keep lifting your leg when you will do Natya Adavu. Okay. Now how we will count this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say a few beautiful words. We should call it Solya Kattai or bowl. Tai, yum, tat, tat, tai, yum, ta, a. Tai, yum, tat, tat, tai, yum, ta, ha. So instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we are using tai, yum, tat, tat, tai, yum, ta, a. Okay. So we will use 2 words for one step, like tai, yum is there, tat, tat, tai, yum, ta, a. Tai, yum, tat, tat, tai, yum, ta, a. Okay. Always try to lift your upper body. It should not go down like that. Okay. So तय्युम तत्त तय्युम ता आपको समझ में आया आप सबको? एक बार और करते हैं, फिर धीरे धीरे थोड़ा थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाते हैं. ठीक है, रेडी, 1 2 3 गो। तै युम तत् तत् तै युम ता आ तै युम तत् तत् तै युम ता। थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ा के, तै युम तत् तत् तै युम ता, तै युम तत् तत् तै युम, थोड़ा और, तै युम तत् तत् तै युम ता, तै युम तत् तत् तै युम ता। Okay, interesting. So now what we will do, this is the lower part. This is the activity of our lower body. Upper body should do tai yum tat tat tai yum ta. Okay, so if you notice, I was like this, like a nice bow shape. See, this is like a bow, है ना? So a nice bow shape hand, I am doing straight, and I should look beyond this ring finger. My glance should go beyond the ring finger. So tai yum tat tat, same for the left side, tai yum ta. Tai, look beyond the ring finger, tat tat tai yum ta. So your elbow is playing a very, very important role here. If I tensed my elbow, it's this. If I stretch and straight my elbow, it's coming like this. Otherwise, it will look like this. Correct? So, don't forget to stretch your elbow nicely and tensed your neck at the same time when you are flipping the hand. See, if you notice, I'm flipping the hand, correct? Let's do it together. So, heel, when we are stretching the heel out, it's this. When we are again taking back, it's coming back. Okay, let's try. 1 2 3, start, stretch, come back, stretch, come back, lift your hand, stretch, come back, stretch, come back. So this one was Natya Adavu number 1. So we have 8 different variations of Natya Adavu. Okay, 8 अलग अलग तरह के नाट्य अडवु होते हैं. This is the very basic one. So slowly we will add थोड़ा complicated version like leg movements or hand movements to make the अडवु more colorful, more interesting. जैसे कि सेकंड अडवु पे चलते हैं. अभी पहला वाला आपने सीख लिया, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, तय्युम तत् तय्युम ता, वेरी सिंपल. सेकंड वी जस्ट हैव टू मेक इट डबल. ओके, मतलब तय्युम तत् तत्, अगेन सेम साइड, ता, होल्ड, लेफ्ट, ओम तत् तत् तय्युम ta. So what I am doing, I have to repeat the same thing for right side twice, then left side twice. Okay, shall we do it again? Ready? Stretch your arms, sit in RI Mandi, lift your upper body. 1 2 3, go. Tayum ta ta, tayum ta, kitta takka tayum ta ta, tayum ta. Again, tay, nicely look at your right side, tat, come back, look straight, tayum ta, kitta takka tayum ta ta, tayum ta. Okay, so have you noticed that I am counting one kitta takka? A very interesting word. Kittataka. Kittataka means gap. I'm counting the gap. मैं साइलेंट भी रह सकती हूँ उधर. Like तै युम तत् तत् तै युम ता तै युम तत् तत् तै युम ता. लेकिन अगर मैं साइलेंट रही और उस बीच थोड़ा सा रिदम हमारे हाथ से छूट गया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा ना. तो इसीलिए उस रिदम को पकड़ने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग अ वर्ड which is completely fitting into that gap. That is kittataka. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Kittataka. 1 2 3 4. Understood? So tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. Kittataka tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. तो आप सब जब प्रैक्टिस करोगे इसको, आप kittataka अगर बोल सकते हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. नहीं भी बोल सकते हो तो उस गैप को आपको पकड़ के रखना है. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता, लाइक तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता. देयर इज अ गैप. यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट. तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम गैप, तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम गैप. ओके, इसको थोड़ा स्पीड में करने की कोशिश करें. स्लो में कर रहे थे, थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाते हैं. स्पीड क्या है? तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता. ठीक है, इजी है. करें एक बार. बैठिए आरा मंडी में. चलिए 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता. स्माइल एंड डू. तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता तय्युम तत् तत् तय्युम ता. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, हमने 2 सीख लिया, नंबर 1 एंड नंबर 2. आज हम एक और सीखेंगे. ठीक है, वो थोड़ा सा और इंटरेस्टिंग है. अब तक आपको ये समझ में आ गया कि नाट्य अडव इज ऑल अबाउट पुटिंग हिल flat. So we are using hill sometime, we are using flat. Now in number 3 we will learn how to use toe. This posture is called swastik posture. What? Swastik in Natya Shastra. If you keep it here, if you keep it here, or if you keep it here, this is called swastik. The minute you will come up with your toe, it's called swastik. So this time, Natya Adavu number 3, we will apply swastik for the first time. Okay? उसके लिए सबसे पहले जो अब तक किए हैं वो एक बार कर लेते हैं. Which is tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. Now tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. ओके, ये बड़ा मजेदार है. थोड़ा बैलेंस मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा इसमें. देखिए, टो अभी इसको ऐसे ही रखना है, इसको उठाना है और मारना है. तत् अगेन टो, देन मेंटेन योर बैलेंस, लुक स्ट्रेट and flat. Then again go back to the heel and come back to your aramandi. So always when we will start and when we will finish the Adavu, we have to finish it in aramandi. Consider the shabd aramandi like your home. Whenever I am going, suppose I am going to the school, I am coming back. I am going to the park, I am coming back. I am going to the coaching class. Then a little bit of snacking outside, again somewhere else, but coming back to your home. So this is the home for Natya Adavu. Okay, shall we do this together? Hold your hand like this. Just learn the leg. Ready? 2, 3, go. Tai, yum, tat, tai, yum, ta. Now right toe at the back. Om, tat, tat. Hill and back. Left side, hill and flat. And hill and flat. Now toe, left toe back, right flat, left heel, flat. Again right side, right heel, flat, and left heel, flat, right toe, flat, heel, flat. Last time for the left leg. 1, back, 2, back, toe, flat, heel, back. Okay? Understood? इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है बहुत, ठीक है? बहुत कुछ एक साथ याद रखना पड़ रहा है ना, अभी और याद रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि upper body will walk together. So, when I am putting my heel outside, what I have to do? This, correct? We did it for number 1 and number 2. Flat, correct? Again, heel, flat. One more thing. Your Tripataka should always be like this. Stick all the fingers together. Don't let it be like this. Completely tight and locked. See? It's like you have put glue here. It should be like that. Okay? So, heel, flat, heel, flat. This time, bring this right hand here in your chest level and look at the hand. Then flip it. Again stretch, back. Let's do it for one more time. 1, 2, 3, start. Tayyum, tat, tat, tayyum, ta. Bring your hands. Tayyum, tat, tat, tayyum, ta. Left side, left, come back. Right stretch, come back. Then left, bring your left hand in the front, look at the hand, then flip it, look straight. At the same time, this hand has to be tight. Then last stretch and back. Okay? Shall we try both together? It's confusing, but it's interesting. Try. Sit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel. At the same time, open the Tripataka. Close it. Correct? Left side open and close it. Abhi. Send your right toe at the back. At the same time, bring your right hand. Now, left flat and flip. Again, from here. 1, 2, very easy. 3, 4, and bring here. Flat. Again, stretch and back. Okay? ये थोड़ा याद करके आपको प्रैक्टिस करना होगा, ठीक है? एक बार मैं पूरा दिखा देती हूँ, so that you will be able to see it later and practice. Okay? It's very simple. Just you have to know right, come back, left, come back, right, left, right, come back. ओके, किसके बाद क्या आ रहा है वो याद करना बहुत जरूरी है. 1, 2, 3, स्टार्ट. तै युम तत तत, तै युम ता, तै युम तत तत, tayyum, ta, left side, tayyum, tat, tat, tayyum, ta, tayyum, tat, tat, tayyum, ta. Okay? Always you finish it in Aramandi, then nicely come back to Samapada. Now, I would like to teach you how to count this 8 beats with your hand. Apart from dancing, we all dancer have to say this Adavus by doing clap and finger counting. Okay, this is a process to know the mathematical calculation. जो हम अब तक कर रहे थे वो 8 मात्रा में है, ठीक है, 8 मात्रा यानी कि 8 बीट्स, जिसको हम आदि तालम बोलते हैं. आदि, ADI, आदि तालम. आदि तालम हैज 8 बीट्स. ये याद रखना, अपने कॉपी में नोट डाउन कर लेना बाद में. हाँ, सो हाउ टू काउंट आदि तालम? देयर इज अ फिक्स्ड प्रोसेस दैट यू हैव टू formula, I should say, you have to follow and maintain. 1, 2, see I'm counting from the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, how I count this 4? First one is tali, second one is this, then this, then this. Now next 4, how will I count? Tali, ulta tali, straight tali, ulta tali. Interesting na? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 is seedha, 6 is ulta, 7 is seedha, 8 is ulta. This is the way, the only and only way to count Adi Talam, and Natya Adavu is set to Adi Talam. Okay? Now, instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, how will I count? Tayyum, tat, tat, tayyum, ta, tayyum, tat, tat, tayyum, ta. Very good. Okay? तो आप ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करो और नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आपको इसको स्पीड में बोलना सिखाऊंगी. ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच. रूट्स टू रूट्स के क्लास में आप सबको ज्वाइन करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. फिर से मिलेंगे. प्रैक्टिस करना. बाय बाय.